Hi guys, this is Vishal here from Trapcode. So in this series of videos, we are covering about Xano. So Xano is a no-code backend platform or no-code API platform, which you can put your database, you can keep your data there, and then you can integrate with any front end or any front end builder to build applications on top of data which is stored in Xano. So Trapcode, as you know, you can either have your own database, you can use an internal MongoDB, which we provide with every Trapcode project. But if you want to use Xano or any other no-code backend like Firebase, Supabase, Backendless, or any other backend system, then you can use Trapcode as completely as a front-end builder, where you can bring the data from API using those backend platforms, using those APIs, and then display everything on Trapcode, build the functionality, your workflow, your use cases, your UI on Trapcode, and continue to store your data on this backend platform. So in this series, we are covering about Xano. So we will covering most of the concept which you will need to build a end-to-end application on Trapcode. So we will be implementing the login and sign up flow. So if you have your users on Xano, then how those users will log into Trapcode, how those users will sign up on Trapcode platform. Then we will be fetching the data. We will be implementing API to fetch the data and display on the UI on Trapcode. Then we will see how to create new data, how to create new records on Trapcode, which will eventually get stored in Xano database. After that, we'll understand how to update those records or how to update the data. After that, we'll talk about deleting of data. After that, we'll talk about fetching of a single database item or a single record to display on the UI, more like creating a details page. After that, we will be implementing the create and edit flow in a model pop-up. So there are scenarios where you want to input something or you want to open a model pop-up where person can create new items or update or delete things. So that we'll do on model pop-up. After that, we'll show how to implement the search flow on the data. So we will be using data tables where you can just search whatever records you want to search, and it will go and search in the Xano database. After that, we will be talking about the downloading of data. So let's say you want to download that data which you have searched in Excel sheet or in CSV file. So how that can be done. And after that, we'll talk about pagination. So how you can implement pagination, where you can bring some subset of data on the basis of some search criteria or on the basis of normal pagination. So you do not have to bring everything. And all this integration is real time. So we are not storing anything at our end. We are communicating with Xano for fetching of data, for retrieval, for creation of records, editing, update, delete. Everything will be getting reflected on Xano at the real time. So if you don't know what Xano is, so Xano is a no-code backend platform. So this is how the website looks like. You can go sign up and create your account. So it has a free plan. So you don't have to purchase a subscription when you are building it. After that, you can upgrade as you want. So we have created a dummy project which has couple of tables. So it has user, it has roles, and we have created two tables, which is person and address. So person is information of some person which has full name, date of birth, gender, and email address. And then there is a table called address. So address has multiple, like a person can have multiple addresses. So address is a reference of person. You can see a person ID. So this also covers the parent-child type of relationship where there's a foreign key of person in the address table. So we will be covering all these concepts which I just mentioned in a series of videos. Hope you like this video, and if you have any feedback, any suggestion, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you. Bye-bye.